Thousand number.
Okay.
What's that?
Lieutenant Colonel Rutledge.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay, sir. The phone's for you, sir. Begin with your tension in the jock. We have a trip with tag CCIR 12. This is our mobile or our jump jock, and it's designed to operate as a mobile command center, a mobile operations center, in the event that we have to displace for it. In addition, this can actually go out as part of a force package to a task force to help them communicate with us. It's designed to have internet, phone capabilities as well as digital with the displays. Runs on the generator power, and in conjunction with the JISC gives us all of our digital capabilities that we need to actually continue operations, continue the fight until we can reestablish in a hardened facility. If you have to make a phone call along these lines, these are the dialing directions for them.
Okay.
Okay.
emergency services in the Light Forest area.
The scenario is right now JFHQ is uninhabitable due to a fire that occurred at 0300 last night, and this is exercise, everything that I'm saying to you right now. So we deployed jump jock, just set up. We got connectivity and comms established here at the RTI. The staff is rallying and will perform movement down to the RTI. They will then occupy the alternate jock, which is in the physical building of the RTI. Once that is established, we will transfer comms to the alternate jock, where we will continue operations. When you see a plan come together, it makes you feel good that you're a part of it. So, yeah.